Thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you two of my favourite dishes to impress when inviting friends and family round for dinner. I love getting people together around a table to share a meal, good conversation and some laughter. My style for entertaining is casual, plentiful and gets everyone involved. I always put all the dishes down the centre of the table and let people graze at their own pace. One of my top tips when designing a dinner menu is to always consider the colours, textures and flavours that will be shared on the dinner table. Bringing a variety of these to your dishes that will complement and contrast each other will always make for a well-balanced menu. One of the dishes that is really popular in my house in the warmer months is baked vongole with spaghetti and herbs. Now this dish is the ultimate when it comes to impressing your guests. It's perfect for lunch or dinner, packed with flavour, and it's a real crowd pleaser. But the best thing is it can be served straight from the dish. Another of my simple yet impressive dishes is a side of baked broccolini with gremolata breadcrumbs. The broccolini is baked quickly until it's bright green and tender, and then it's sprinkled with a mixture of garlic-infused breadcrumbs with lemon and parsley. Now these breadcrumbs are fantastic for any vegetables that you want to bake or steam to give them a little flavour punch. When you come to my home, you can be always assured of being served dessert. I always plan something sweet before I plan anything else in a menu, and it always provides great inspiration for all the other dishes. Thanks for joining me, and remember, all the recipes for these dishes can be found on our website. See you next time.